Step 6, page 11 and 12, that's the z-axis block or z-axis block for our English friends. We can see in the picture right here that there's the stepper motor. So that means this is the left of the machine. So that's the slave carriage, sort of. That's the one without the stepper driver and without the z-axis screw. The other one, the one from the right, will be done next step. So, bag B7, we have a bunch of parts once again. Orientation of the part is this, and we go one big screw, one wheel. We put the washer out of the way. It's done. So one screw, one wheel, one spring gasket slash spring washer, one eccentric nut. I'm gonna get a pen.